Get into a car with value. 2019 Jeep Cherokee. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Cherokee delivers refined comfort, state-of-the-art technology to keep you safe, connected, and entertained, ample cargo capacity, and rugged all-terrain capability. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, fog lamps, remote engine start, dual zone AC, power driver seat, electronic stability control, heated front seat, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers. Feel relaxed and confident when you set out for adventure in the Cherokee. Get behind the wheel today.